Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 214, Star Drop opening during day 14 of the Brawl Together event. As you guys probably know, this is the last day of the Brawl Together event, so make sure to get on, get your double Star Drops Mastery Madness coin shower before it ends. And I thought it was pretty interesting that the end of this event is also the start of another, it would seem, the Chinese New Year events, which I believe the rewards all seem to come in 8, except for the one significant one being the legendary star drop. I thought it'd be pretty funny if there was 8 legendary star drops, but everything else seems to come in number 8. Again, I'm pretty sure they made a post about this on YouTube and probably their other socials, but we can have a look in the game in a second.
Rare. Super rare.
100 coins.
Epic. Rare.
25 power points.
Super rare.
50 power points.
Epic.
The thumbs up is pretty good. Chef, so you can see this Lunar Brawl event. So for the first day, we have 88 coins. And you can see all the other rewards listed here. So for the daily freebie, we have 60 XP doublers. And 15 coins. We also have the other Lunar New Year's offers from previous events. They're at 50% discounts, and as you guys also probably know, they can't be bought for bling, so you have to get them during the events. You have a week to do that. There's nothing else currently going on. An antivirus 8 is out if you haven't seen that. And as of today, I have 12,496 XP doublers and 27,944 power points. So let's see how far I can take this, guys.